Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camera straps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Camera Strap Eorefo Women Camera Neck Strap Shoulder Belt. Get a little creative inspiration from your multi-colored camera strap. This camera strap is not only colorful but it is durable and strong. It holds your cameras with ease while making sure it remains conveniently located. Then its inclusive nature allows you to hook up a variety of camera models with ease. Leather reinforced ends make sure this strap does not let go of your camera at the wrong time. Soft to the touch, this strap is made from leather, cotton and soft fiber for a great look yet comfortable feel. The strap lengthens up to about 57 inches long. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Peak Design Capture Lens Kit, Best Camera Straps. Cameras are not the only photographic equipment that needs a strap to hold onto them. This lens accessory grabs onto your lenses and does not let go. It is designed to hold onto 2 lenses at one time. Once you put your lenses in this holder, you should not have any difficulty finding them again. Plus, it works with a variety of lenses from mirrorless on up to heavy pro glass models. Also, the weight of those lenses are welcomed by this lens holder. In addition to that feat, it will hold cameras as well. At number 3, we have the Coiro Camera Strap Accessories. There are those times where one camera is just not enough. Those rare photo opportunities do not wait till you change filters or lenses. By holding 2 cameras at one time, you do not have to fiddle with accessories, you just point and shoot. Once you have these leather shoulder straps on, you will look like you are serious about your photo taking. The leather adds a touch of class as well as making you look your best. Metal clasps hold onto your cameras and they do not let go unless forced to do so. 2 safety straps are included in your purchase. At number 2, we have the Peak Design Slide Lite Camera Strap. Easy-to-use adjustable camera straps are what you need to handle your photography duties. They make your life simpler and more comfortable. This top-rated camera strap adjusts to fit your body and comes with internal padding. On top of that, you get a durable camera strap that holds your camera securely. Once in place, it doesn't let go until you pull it off your camera. Measuring just over an inch wide, your body should not feel any discomfort while you wear your camera. Transporting your camera has become easier when you turn to this top camera strap to protect and carry your expensive camera. And finally, at number 1, we have the Peak Design Cuff Camera Wrist Strap. Your wrist works as well as your neck and shoulder. This camera strap goes around your wrist, so you do not have to deal with tangled camera strap lengths. Plus, its quick-release system unhooks from your camera quickly so you can get great photos. In addition to that, this wrist strap can hold up to 200 pounds. That is strong. Also, once you purchase this strap, it will fit over palms 5 inches or smaller. The easy-to-use adjustable strap comes with a lifetime warranty to make sure your investment is protected. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.